Yo, Aaron here and welcome to my tutorial of Blinding Lights. This song originally doesn't have any guitar, as you probably know, so there's a link to a full playthrough in the description box below. Without further ado, here is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. Thanks for watching that video on Blinding Lights. If you like what I'm doing, then please give us a like, a thumbs up, that kind of thing. If you've got any requests, stick them in the comments section. And if you want to be notified each week, then hit the subscribe and notifications bell. I'm currently on a whopping 65 subscribers. Hooray for small creators. So any support is really, really welcome so I can keep on making these videos and you can get better at the guitar. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in the next video next week. Bye.